making money online for free. In today's digital age, making money online has become increasingly popular. Whether you are a student looking to earn some extra cash or someone who wants to transition into working remotely, there are numerous opportunities available to start making money online for free. This article will explore some of the ways you can kickstart your online income without investing any money upfront. One of the most accessible ways to make money online is by taking online surveys. Many companies are willing to pay for consumer opinions, and there are several legitimate survey websites that connect you with these opportunities. By signing up and completing surveys, you can earn cash, gift cards, or other rewards. While the pay may not be substantial, it can be a great way to make some extra money during your free time. Another way to make money online for free is by becoming a freelance writer. If you have a knack for writing, there are various platforms where you can showcase your skills and get paid for your work. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr allow you to create a profile and offer your services to clients looking for content creators. This gig economy approach allows you to work at your own pace and choose projects that align with your interests and expertise. If you have a talent for graphic design or web development, freelancing on platforms like 99 Designs or TopTal can be a lucrative option. Many businesses and individuals are in need of design work, and by offering your services, you can start earning money online without any initial investment. Building a strong portfolio and delivering high-quality work will help you attract more clients and increase your earning potential. For those with a passion for teaching, online tutoring can be an excellent way to make money while sharing your knowledge. Websites like VIPKid and Tutor.com connect tutors with students from around the world, allowing you to teach subjects like English, math, or even musical instruments. With flexible scheduling options, you can set your hours and work from the comfort of your own home. By providing valuable educational support, you can earn a steady income and make a positive impact on students' lives. In recent years, the rise of social media has opened up new avenues for making money online. If you have a sizable following on platforms like Instagram or YouTube, you can partner with brands and advertisers to promote their products and earn money through sponsored posts or videos. Building a strong online presence and engaging with your audience is key to attracting potential sponsors and increasing your earning potential. Lastly, if you have a talent for creating handmade crafts or unique products, starting an online shop can be a great way to monetize your skills. Platforms like Etsy provide a marketplace for artisans to sell their creations to a global audience. By setting up an online store and showcasing your products, you can start generating income from your passion. Marketing your shop through social media and engaging with customers will help you grow your business and increase your sales. In conclusion, there are numerous opportunities to start making money online for free. Whether you choose to take surveys, become a freelancer, offer tutoring services, leverage social media, or start an online shop, the key is to find a method that aligns with your skills and interests. By investing time and effort, you can turn your online endeavors into a sustainable source of income.